Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget by the Bag. Today I'm back with another cash stuffing and my first SH MonsterArts figure. I want to mention 3 channels. Erin Wibbles Around Aimlessly, because she gave us some cash to stuff for being the first ones to enter the giveaway and trust her. Alright, the second one is budgeting just because she made a really good video. And then the last one is Penny by Penny. She is a new budgeter. And yeah. Alright, now let's get the cash out of the bank withdrawal. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 26, 31. Alright. And before I show y'all my SH MonsterArts figure, I want to show y'all the back of my binder. It has a sticker of Gamera. I got this in Austin at a comic store, and that's where I also got 2 Godzilla posters. One of them is Godzilla vs. Gigan, and the other one has Gypsy Danger from Pacific Rim, and also Gamera, and 2 giant bats from one of Gamera's movies. Alright, now let's look at Kong. This is Kong 2021. He is the Kong that I showed on one of my previous videos. He was pretty cool. So I ordered it off of Amazon for my birthday, and also there's a Godzilla 2021, and that one's gonna come in later in August. But yeah, this was supposed to come in later in August too. But I saw it at a comic store at the same price on the Amazon one. And to be honest, I think it went up in price for the Amazon one. So we just got this one at Bedrock City. It's a comic store. And they have pretty cool stuff. And they also have a really cool Godzilla blind bag series. Now, I already opened this to take a look at him, but I just put him back in the box, just because. Yeah, there he is. Alright, now let's open him. I swapped out one of the hands already since I played with him a little bit. And this was the head that was supposed to be on when he first unboxed him, and also 2 punching fists. But I made him have one grabbing fist so he can hold the axe. And yeah, he articulates really well. If you wanted to look up, you can just do that. And I think one of the most articulated parts is on the leg. Basically from like the hips to the leg. You can make it go back really far. And yeah, but these are really cool. But they're supposed to be like 15 plus, ages 15 and up, so don't let your young child play with these or else they might break it. I want to show you what he looks like with the axe on. It's a little bit difficult to put the axe on. You have to like put the hands out a tiny bit, but there you go. Then here he is with the axe. But yeah, I really like this figure. And actually, technically, this really isn't my first SH MonsterArts figure. I mean, the character is, but it's not the same one, because at the same comic store, I saw a different one. But every time I moved this arm, it just fell apart and fell off. So I had to get a new one. So this is technically my second SH MonsterArts figure, but it's still the same character, and it's still has everything the same. And yeah, this one works really well, so I'm really glad I got a perfect one. Alright, now let's get to the actual cash stuffing. Alright, here is the first one, SH MonsterArts. Oh no, I forgot to update the trackers from the last video. I'll just show y'all next video. So SH MonsterArts will be getting $8. So that's 5 and 3 ones. The reason why I put a little more than other categories, I put a lot in SH MonsterArts because some of them can be pretty expensive, so they're a bit pricey. Like, they're usually around $68, probably like the Godzilla and Kong. So that's why I put a little bit more than other categories. Alright, now let's move on to savings. It is gonna get $6. So that is a 5 and 1 1. It sounds weird just to say it out loud. Alright, now let's put it in here. Oh wait, it's covering the tracker, I think. Yeah. I'm getting better at putting the cash in the envelopes. Now let's move on to video games. Yeah, I want to mention that I recently used the $5 that I had left over, not from video games, but left over from the money that I got when I went to go to my grandparents' house. And I used it to buy a starter pack on Rec Room. And Rec Room is a game on the Oculus. And I really like playing it. You can do a lot of stuff, like make your own games or create your own inventions. It's basically like a sandbox to do anything. Yeah, it's one of my favorite games. And also it's free, so yay. Alright, and video games will be getting $4. That is 4 ones. Alright, $4. So let's put it back here. Yeah, hey guys, let me know on a scale 1 to 10 how much y'all like the SH MonsterArts Kong. I really like it. It is one of my favorite SH MonsterArts figures. Alright, now retirement is gonna get $2. That is 2 ones. Whoa, I just meant to grab one. I will grab 2. Hey, pretty useful, I guess. Alright, retirement has $2. Then we are going to giving, and that's going to get $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put it in here. Alright. Then random will get $3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let's open it and put it in. Alright. Now for the last one, parents and family, and that will be getting $4. Wonder why that one has a red thing there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So all the money is gone, so that means I did the math right. Let me get my Sharpie. And then, let me close this up real quick. Wait, it's a kaiju with a kaiju. So total will be 31. Alright. Oh yeah, what I'm gonna start doing for each episode, I'm gonna start doing one kaiju fact per each episode. So one random one. And the one for today is, did y'all know that Biollante is immortal? She is, because every time she gets close to dying, she'll just spread her spores and evolve. That's how she went from just a giant flower to the plant beast form. So yeah, let me know if y'all want me to continue doing random kaiju facts like that. That will be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this SH MonsterArts unboxing plus cash stuffing. And I will see y'all in the next video that I do. Bye.